Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk through how to create a dedicated queue for event processing. But first let's understand what a dedicated queue is. Events are typically processed by the default event queue. However, as your platform grows and becomes more event driven, you may want more control over how events are processed, especially if some are critical, high volume or time sensitive. That's where dedicated queues comes into play. A dedicated queue allows you to route specific events to their own processor. This improves the performance, ensures better separation of concerns, and gives you more control over the event execution. One such scenario: when you have module or application that triggers a large number of events such as employee onboarding, integrations, data imports, etc. This dedicated queue prevents these events from clogging up the default queue, and it also ensures that other important events are not delayed. So let us now jump into the hands-on steps to configure a dedicated queue. Log into your ServiceNow instance. Under the navigator, navigate to the system policy. So there are many modules under the system policy. In that, you would find a module called registry. Click onto the registry to open a new event registry page. Select the event you want to set up. Here now we can select the user.view. See, the queue name is empty. That means it is processed by the default queue. In the queue field, enter your desired name. In this tutorial, I am simply giving user_view. After giving the name, click on the update and a new dedicated queue will be created for that event. You can repeat the same steps for the other events that should be handled by the same dedicated queue. Now you can see a new dedicated queue has been created for the event user.view. To process the events from your new queue, we will now set up a schedule job. Navigate to the system scheduler. Under that, you would find a schedule job. Click on the new button and give the name of the job as per your wish. As of now, I am giving the same name as a dedicated queue. Let all the other fields set as default. Now in the job context field, write the script as fc script name is equals to javascript / glide event manager of your dedicated queue name dot process of. You can use the same script as shown. All you have to change the queue name with your dedicated queue name. What this simply means that it ensures that any events related to the user_view through your event registry will be picked up and processed independently of the default queue. Now choose the trigger type as interval and give the repeat seconds as per your choice and click on the submit. After clicking submit, you can view your newly created schedule job by entering the name of the job under the name field. See, a job has been created and its next action is scheduled to the 30 seconds from where your job was created. Now to verify whether the job is working properly or not, click onto the job and click onto the execute now button, which is present at the top right hand side. So now to verify whether the queue is processing events, return to the events under the system logs. Now see, the one we created is now marked as processed as expected. And filter on to the events, relevant events, to see the difference between before creating the dedicated queue and after creating the dedicated queue. After creating the dedicated queue, all the events are processing to that particular queue. You can also see the time as just now. This is how setting up a dedicated queue helps in isolating event traffic for specific modules or applications, improving processing speed for high priority events, and reducing load on the default event processor. And that's it. You have successfully created a dedicated event queue. Thanks for watching.